Power Nap was designed to hit the pause button, to get a 20-minute restoration, a reboot, a recharge. Find a safe, comfortable place, preferably the comfort of your bed at home, or the bed of a hotel room, or your office chair. It doesn't really matter, but it does need to be safe, and you do want to be comfortable. You're going to need an eye mask, a good pair of headphones, and the mobile app. Power Nap is 20 minutes, but with our patented, clinically proven physics, it gives you the gift of 2 hours of restorative sleep. Imagine that. In 20 minutes, you can get the value of the deepest restorative sleep available. That's the power of Power Nap. So, I find a safe, comfortable place. I put an eye mask on. Now, headphones, we want them to be good because there's a frequency range associated with the physics. But headphones are personal, so whatever your favorite is, whatever is comfortable on the ear or on the top of your head, it doesn't matter, but it does need to be a decent pair of headphones, not a throwaway in-ear bud. So there are two choices here in front of me. One is the AirPod Pro Maxes. They're convenient, but for those of you who have sensitivity to EMF, the Sony MX1005s are brilliant. They're lighter on top of the head, so they don't get to, feel on your cranium hard. They're also soft on the ears, so they don't get too hot, and the sound quality is amazing. So, headphones on, turn the headphone on. For this headphone, I need this adapter for the app. I plug it in, and voila. I am now connected. I hit Power Nap. 20 minutes gets you 2 hours of restorative sleep. Eye mask, headphone, off you go.